today you're going to learn how to roast a turkey in the oven, start to finish. This is a perfect beginner turkey recipe. All you need to do is prep that turkey, pat it dry with paper towel. You got to remove it from the bag, get the giblet and all that out. And then you just need to spread all over some olive oil. That's going to be the base for your seasoning. And then you season a little bit inside the turkey, and you can use whatever poultry rub you'd like. And then put some yummy things in there. Put some onion, put some lemon, put some garlic, and then it's time to season the outside of the whole turkey before you pop it in the oven. So you want to really liberally all over this thing, make sure every single nook and cranny of that turkey has seasoning on it. That olive oil is going to help it stick, but you want to get in there with your hands and really massage the seasonings in. I do have a recipe that's going to walk you through how to brine a turkey, but you do not need to brine a turkey. And you don't need to truss a turkey, which is also what you see here. I do have another recipe video to walk you through that too if you're doing it for the first time, but basically you want to get some twine and you want to tie those legs together if you decide to truss the turkey. You don't have to do that. You don't have to brine. I don't want to freak you out if you're a beginner to cooking turkey for Thanksgiving or a holiday. These are just two little ways you can enhance it. But you are set with all the flavor this is going to bring. So it's time to pop that turkey into a roasting pan. We have a roasting rack built right into our pan, which is super helpful to elevate the turkey. The turkey goes into the oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 90 minutes. It's not going to be done at this point, but you can stick a thermometer if you have one of these internal read thermometers we have that lets you know the temperature while it's in the oven. Anyways, at that 90-minute mark, you want to brush it or baste it with butter and put tin foil on the outside. And this 12-pound turkey cooked in about 3 hours, so it wasn't long at all. It takes about, it's going to take a few hours. Obviously, a 12-pound turkey is pretty big, but 13, 14, 15-pound, you just want to make sure that you're checking the internal read temperature. It should be 165 degrees Fahrenheit, measured in the thickest part of the bird, which is the thigh. All right, so when it all juices run clear and it's good to go, it's time to take the turkey out of the oven. And we like to let it rest for up to an hour, but please at least rest your turkey 30 minutes before cutting it up and serving it for Thanksgiving or your holiday meal. Well, check out more easy recipes. I have a ton of Thanksgiving and other turkey recipes for you here at Sip, Bite, Go. Cheers!